Model, 2016 Citroen Relay Boxer 35L3 HDI 130 6-speed ready to work with tail lift MOTED open mouth smile. Body, white, Luton Box. Mileage, 250541. MOT, the 15th of December 2024. Engine, 2198 cc4 HHD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Oil light on dash oil level sensor will need replacing. Runs and drives good. Condition summary, bargain of a Luton Box Van open mouth smile bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, cruise